Hi guys, welcome you guys to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, please subscribe and turn off the notification button. On today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to make 6 pieces skirts. Now, the skirt length you are going to be needing is 30 inches for the skirt length, while the waist is 20, the hips is 30. So let's go for the illustration. So now, in this 6 pieces tutorial, so now the length of the skirt we are needing is 30, the waist is 20, while the hips is 30 too. So now there are some 6 pieces skirt that you need to add band to it at the upper part. So now you have to first of all remove 2 inches from here. So now you now get your desired length, which is 30 for the length. So you now add extra allowance to it for turning up the down part after finish sewing it and the upper part to join it to the band. And there are some 6 pieces skirts that require that you have to add elastic for an adult. You don't like using band. So now for that you have to add to it, like the one for the one that I told you that you are adding band, you have to remove 2 inches. You have to add the band. If you want to learn how to make that band, you have to visit my first video that I posted. So now this one, if you are going to be adding band, you remove 2 inches from it and get your desired length, which is 30. But for this one, if you are sewing it for an elderly person, they don't like using band. They like using elastic. You have to add extra allowance to the top for bringing the elastic in. Why some people also add it, they have to remove the 2 inches also and put band for the elastic. So the easiest way for you to do it. But now we are making the skirt, this one I'm cutting, the pattern I'm cutting here, I'm going to be removing 2 inches from it. So now I'm going to measure my desired skirt length. The skirt length here is 30. So now I'm adding extra 2 inches for the turning of the down part. You have to rule, sorry, you can use a ruler for this. This is it. So now the waist of our skirt is 20. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. So now, sorry, I supposed to have told you earlier, this skirt, you have to fold it into two if you are cutting straight skirt. But this one now, because it's into one place, is half cut. If this is our half cut, if you fold the dress like this, you are going to cut it normal, but this one is represented at the center part of our dress. So now if the waist is 20, so 20 divided by 4 is 5. Well, this is the center part of our dress, which is, if you divide your dress into two places, it's going to give us 4. Two different places. The front panel we have 2 divided places, while the back panel we have 2 divided places, because this one is half part of it. So now for this is 5, you are going to be adding 1 inch sewing allowance, making that allowance making 6, and you add your extra 2 inches to it. So now from there you have to measure from the waist part to the hip is 7 inches. This is our 7 inches. So now you are now going to bring in your waist measurements. If the waist is 30 divided by 4 is 7.5. So that 7.5, you are going to add extra 2 inches to it, making 9.5. So you bring it up like so, like this. So now if you are getting 9.5 here, you are going to remove 1 inches from it, making 8.5. These are 8.5 here. So now you have to bring that 8.5 downward this way. 8.5. So now we have achieved our skirt length. So we use your ruler to rule it up this way to connect it like this to the hip point. So now what we are going to do here to get our 6 pieces skirt, you have to measure your dart. For this person now, this is not, I'm just using this as illustration. This is not for a person. So now the waist is 20, so you can get your dart from here. So you can use 3.5 for the person. So that 3.5, you are going to bring it downward straight, like so. Downward 3.5. You measure it. So you measure it this way. You measure it this way. This 3.5. So now these are 3.5. So now you know I told you earlier that we added 1 inches for the dart. So now what you have to do, you take your tape rule this way. You measure half inch from this 3.5. You measure downwards. You measure half inch. So from here you are going to measure 6 inches to this place. So now what you have to do, take your ruler, you connect this to this place, you connect it together, you connect the other one to this place. So now we are going to remove this dart from here. You have to label it. This is the upper part. This is the upper part. So now you cut it out. So this is it. You are going to remove this dart from here. Normally, you know, if you are sewing skirt, you have to hold your dart to make it stand firm. So this is the dart. We have removed it now. So now you are now going to cut your skirt out this way. I'm going to cut your skirt out this way. Sorry, before I cut, I split it here like this. So you know that this is the center point. You can label it also. So now from the down part, you are going to measure upward a little. Like this person's skirt now is 30 by length earlier. Let me just say maybe this for a baby girl, like 10 years old girl. So now you measure from the down part. You can come up by 15 inches from there. So this is the place that the flare will come out from. You rule it this way. You are going to rule it this way. So you are not going to cut it out, but now you now take your scissors, you split this place out like this. So this is it. So now let's transfer it to cut it out at our normal 6 pieces skirt. So now you know these are our front panel. Let me just say these are front panel. For you to put these are front panel. You have to bring it this way on this. So this place will now determine how wide you want it to be. If you want it to be very full for an adult, you can add like extra 10 inches here. But this one I'm adding 5 inches from here. You add 5 inches here. So from that place, you are going to rule it upward to the point that you rule, that you want your panel to start from. So this is it. You understand? So now if you want to use it to cut, this is it like this. So now you just cut it out the way I do it. You just have to cut it out this way. No, I told you earlier that I added 5 inches to that point. I added 5 inches to this point. So now you just have to cut it out straight like this. So these are front panel. Can you see the way it is? Look at the panel, the way it is. These are front panel skirt. So now you keep it outside. You keep that right. This is the front panel. So I'm going to remove all this from there. So now you want to cut for the side. For the side, you know we are cutting into 4 places. If this is the front panel, we are saying this is the side. This one we represent the side. We are going to cut this one into 4 places. While this one will be the center front. So now if you want to cut for this one, also for the back, you are adding zipper allowance to it. All you have to do, you just fold your clothes like this. You fold it like this. All you have to do is just add it this way. You just add your zipper allowance. You just have to add your zipper allowance this way to the back panel. Just cut it out. This will be the zipper allowance at the back. So now, but now I'm not going to cut the back. I just want to cut the side panel. So now this one, we are going to arrange it like so. So you know we added extra 5 inches to this side for that one, for the front panel. So you arrange it this way. So now you now measure 5 inches from here. From here you measure 5 inches. These are 5 inches. So you are going to bring it to this place like so. So now you go to the other side. You measure 5 inches this side. You bring it to that place that you go. So now you will add little allowances to it for your sewing allowance. So you just have to drag it out. So this is it. I'm going to cut it out now. So you know this is our hip side. So there is no how you are going to cut it out. You will know this later that this is the hip point. This is our other center point. So now we have to. I want to cut the second side out. So let's just make this our front 6 pieces skirt panel. Now let's bring this together. So now this will be our front panel. You are going to launch it well. This one will indicate that there is hip at this side. So now this is it. You just have to sew it like this. This is the way it is. This will represent our front panel. So to cut out the back, you have to cut this one, this side, the two both side. So now you have to add zipper allowance to this center front. So you just have to fold it this way on your clothes and add your maybe 2 inches zipper allowance straight to it. Or if you want to add tail to it, you can still add it, like you arrange it this way. If this is zipper allowance, you can get to this place. That is called mannequin skirt, sorry. So if you get to this place, come out this way. So you now add your tail. You are going to be training on that also. Thank you guys for watching my channel. See you on my next tutorial. Bye.